Hey guys, welcome back to another Pros tutorial. My name is Austin. Today we're going to be learning about setting custom motor ports. So when you use the V5 Brain, it comes with its own motor configuration, and you guys are welcome to use that. But I personally prefer to use my own motor configuration, especially for wiring. Sometimes there are just difficult spots to plug things in, and it's better to use different ports that aren't the defaults. So I'm going to show you guys today how to set your own custom ports. Okay, so how we're going to do this is we need to do some initializing for each and every motor, and it takes a second. So we're going to say motor set encoder units, and we're going to say our port. We have our front left port, and for our encoder units we say E motor encoder, and we're going to go encoder degrees here. Then we have motor set, and then we're going to set the gear ratio, or gearing, yeah. Front left port, and we say E motor gear, E motor gear set, and the default is 18. 06 I believe is torque, and 36 I believe is the high speed, but we go for 18. That's the default when you get it. So that sets our motors, or our front left motor port. If you look at our config, front left is in port 1. Since we have it initialized in here, we'll be able to plug in our front left motor to port 1. Now we need to do that for all of our motors. So we see we have 4 motors here. So I'm going to come back here, copy this, paste. I'm going to paste that a couple times. So we're going to change this front left to front right. And the motor encoder degrees and the motor gear set, those stay the same. But we need to do that once for each motor that we have. Alright, so now that we have all those set, our gearing and our encoder units for all of our motors, when we plug into the Cortex, you will find that the motor configuration has changed, so that we'll be able to plug our motors into ports 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's all I have for you for this video. In the next video, we're going to be talking about using the LCD screen to output data. So I will see you guys then.